my book for this summer. And basically I've been keeping these like on a lot of trips over the past like 10, 12 years. This is the first anti-hero sticker from our first anti-hero girl tour. It's my friend's skate shop in New Orleans called Humidity. So there's just a variety of things from flying and traveling. This is a bag of carrots from a flight home from New Orleans. This is a dragonfly wing. I don't know where I found it. I can't remember. I think it was in New Orleans. And this is red wine from my flight. I like to put red wine in my books. This is a wrapping paper for my birthday present. No FOMO. This stands for fear of missing out. It's when you want to go party. Uyghur's the king of FOMO. You think you're going to miss something cool? It means you have FOMO.
Just film me how small the back of my head is, or rather my whole head. Learning how to tie?
Learning to tie knots.
What's another good one?
This is cool, dude. This is my blood.
Yeah! That's how shit goes down here, Berlin.
Yeah, he's thinking what I'm thinking. He's saying what I'm thinking.
Bud is the wood in your in the French accent. Berg is the weg. Why am I so scary, dude?